And look at Tesla down on the lows. We were, bro. You see that? That shit that's not even updating right, bro. Like my candles and shit. Like there's like something like screwy going on with my shit. Like it's like delayed or something. And then sometimes like price action just be missing. Look, it looks on the 2 minute. I scroll over and go like this. The candle looks totally different, bro. Then if I just click on today, and that's how I know like something's not right with it. And then look, Nvidia's just been stuck. It's been stuck like this forever. Look, since when does a stock not move at all? Look. So we're just froze at 162.92, 160.92. You see that? Look, I'm not getting like nothing's updating. Look, it just froze on 162.90s. Come on, man. About to fucking start a fucking GoFundMe, man, so we can get some internet sleuths on the case. Dude, I missed some freaking valuable price action. Look at this buy, bro. That thing's all the way almost back up at the top. Like, I mean, we're basically flirting with the new high right here on the SPY. Let me see. I'll say like right here where we're trading at right now. Now the Qs, obviously, like I said, the Qs and basically tech has been a little more bearish. Dude, Meta's been ripping, bro. Damn. That's one I missed out on. And I was watching it yesterday. But look, if we just want to go ahead and look at the S&P 500 real quick, this is where we're trading at. So basically all the way at the top where we ran into resistance. And I'll say about right there. So I mean, this is definitely crucial right here because we're like damn near at high of day. Like the high of day was 38.37. Right now the high on this candle is 38.36. So basically $1 under what the high was. Look at that gap. And look, breaking out. That thing just ripped past the high of day. I was looking pretty bullish. Like, I can't tell if it was. Whoa, look at this. Holy crap. And at the same time, bro, like, that's it. Like, I mean, we're at the top of the range right now. So, I mean, we either need to break out and make new highs, or we're at the top of the range and we're just going to be range bound. Same thing on AMD, but like I said, tech's been a little bit weaker, bro. So yeah, the SPY and the S&P 500 is close to the top of the range, but tech, I meant not close, at the top of the range. But tech is like lagging a little behind it. But look at what I'm seeing here on the bonds. Look, so we actually came down here, that level that I was talking about, which was right here. We actually came down here and tested it and freaking cracked it and made a new low on the day. But then immediately after that, kind of started grinding up and putting in higher lows. But now look, this support becomes resistance. We have to watch the bonds right here to see, and then the S&P 500 is making new highs. So that's a new high. Let's watch and see what the bonds do. If you look, bonds broke beneath that level I was talking about, but then they came down here and kind of based for a little bit. And like based and consolidated. So let's see if that base if we can actually have some follow through on these higher lows. See how we came down there, based for a little bit, and then started heading up, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So what's crucial? Do the bonds break through this level, this 103.22s? If they can get back above that and keep putting in a bullish pattern, we could possibly head up towards VWAP. And if we can cross over VWAP and then the 120, we might see some reversal type action, and maybe go back down and test the bottom of the range on equity. I mean, looking at the 5-minute on bonds, it's looking like it wants to do something. Let's go to the 2-minute. And I mean, I'll show you in a second. And you can't really glean much off the 2-minute. But so that's definitely a bullish pattern. And we're breaking above this what was basically a double bottom and kind of a support. We broke above it for a second, but then it immediately rejected. But look, as you see a little bit of semblance of some bullishness on the bonds, you see equity, and the S&P 500 shows some weakness. And I mean, if we're being technical, say like right here, it's like resistance. That's the top. The top of the range for now. And then you come over and look at Tesla. Look, as you see them bonds start to base and show just a little bit of bullishness. Look, Tesla, the first to start heading down, because again, I believe Tesla is leading as far as the direction goes. So we'll keep our eye on this, but look, Tesla's trying to come back down here. Oh Lord. Like, what is it? What is it? Yo.
Hey.
What's up?
I'm about to pick Gusto up from school, and then Adeline wants me to take her. She's got some money so she can buy something for Logan and Mark and stuff. But before I do that, do you want me to take you to get something to eat?
Yeah, or if you don't have time, I can send you the cash and you can just pick something up. Because I'm kind of trading right now.
Alright, so...
But what? Just call me when all that's going down, and then I'll let you know.
Spot?
Hell yeah.
Grab that real quick.
Alright.
Bring it by.
Alright, yeah, that way you don't have to be running late and shit. Alright, thank you.
Bye.
And then I kind of lost my train of thought there, but I mean, just looking at bonds, look, still fighting with that level, bro. That's what I'm saying. That's a pretty significant level. This 103.20s, it's fighting with it. I mean, it tried it twice and kind of rejected. Let's see if the third time's the charm here. I don't think so, because I'm seeing the S&P 500 with a little bullishness right up here at this top. Go ahead and do something real quick. How come every time I motherfucking reset my shit, all of a sudden the price action start going in my direction, bro? You feel me? That's making me very suspicious. Isn't that kind of weird, bro? Every time I reset it, right, the price action start going in my direction. It's a little weird. You know what I mean? It's a little weird, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? Like maybe 1 or 2 times. Okay. Every time, bro. No, that's like I was saying, bro. Like once or twice, like you can chalk it up to coincidence. But bro, like, and I've said this, something, you know, it stop it stops being a coincidence after it happens like multiple times. Like it's no longer a coincidence anymore, bro. You feel me? I mean, like same thing. Like even like I've even gone through like the same thing like in relationships. You know, something stops. It ceases to be a coincidence. You feel me? Like once it happens, like more than like 3 or 4 times, bro. And I'm telling you, like it's not a coincidence. Every time I reset my network, right, and then come back on, like look how much more responsive my broker platform is, and more importantly, every time I do it and I come back, mysteriously the price action is and my trades are then going in my direction. You feel me? Like, bro, I could see, you know what I mean, like once or twice or whatever. Yeah. But dude, if it happens every time, bro, it's like no longer a coincidence after that. You feel me?